Hey guys, this tutorial is actually based on a step-by-step breakdown of making industrial music that I gave to a game programmer friend of mine I met through Quake. He's a fan of industrial music, so I figured it would be helpful to show him how to make it, because I believe anyone who has an ear for it can, and I hope anyone who wants to be making their own can learn from this. First thing you're going to want to do, especially if you're doing soundtrack work, is record a riff that you can loop a few times so that you can have a few really clean cuts. And then I add my distortion in post. Make sure it sounds exactly how you want it and it's loopable by the time you're done. Let's go ahead and use some open source MIDI software to make a little synthesizer loop to go along with it. Try and keep tempo and time signature. Let's add a slightly creepy element by using a vacuum cleaner to sound like a buzzsaw. So what we're going to do is we're going to play our backing tracks syncopated together so that we can keep track of time, and we're going to use the vacuum as an instrument. Then you're going to want to silence any noise you may have picked up between vacuum turns. Let's go ahead and add an extra layer of weird by sampling the traffic nearby with our cell phone voice recorders. After I program some drum beats, I'm going to add wah-wah and reverberation with a wet-only filter. We can use open source software again, like DrumTrack, to program a drum pattern. This track was pretty well mixed, so let's just apply a compressor, and that's our mastering. Now let's hear how it turned out. And let's go ahead and listen to how our programmer friends turned out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope a few of you learned something from this. Please subscribe, and my next video should be my review of Quake.